बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आप यूट्यूब चैनल देख रहे हैं। मैं मोहम्मद जुनैद शफ़क़त, प्रिंसिपल द स्किल्स शॉर्ट हैंड एंड कंप्यूटर कॉलेज हरबंसपुरा लाहौर।
ये डिक्टेशन न्यूज़पेपर पैराग्राफ नंबर 13 से 100 वर्ड पर मिनट पे डिक्टेट की जाएगी।
3, 2, 1 start. Islamabad: highlighting massive gaps in the valuation rates of properties, the Planning Commission's think tank, Pakistan Institute of Development Economics, has recommended eliminating both district collector and federal board of revenue notified rates and coming up with an auction market. The market rate bracket, the actual rate at which transactions are happening in the real estate market bracket, is roughly 5 to 10 times higher than the DC rate. It is recommended to sell properties by advertising on a portal, and anyone will be authorized to buy on 10% higher than the bid price of the contract shown on the online portal. The solution to this problem of different valuation rates is to set up a proper market for real estate. One possible solution is the introduction of multiple listing services that allow auctions. Paragraph. The managing authority of the portal will issue a certificate of the contract conditional to the submission of advance by consensus of both parties. Transfer of the property will not happen without this certificate. Currently, at least 3 property rates are operational in the market, and that includes the Federal Board of Revenue Immovable Property Valuation, the District Collector Rate, and the market rates. The existence of multiple rates in the real estate market is due to revenue considerations. Although, the actual transaction happens at the market rate, the recorded price is primarily determined by the government DC rate in line with what the government expects. Paragraph. The district collector announces the valuation of properties based on the characteristics of properties that includes the location, district, tehsil, type, urban, rural, and the classification of land of the property. The practice of applying the DC rate at the time of mutation was formally adopted during the 1980s with the following objectives: to make the sector more efficient, to maximize the tax revenue, to control price fall. Paragraph. Afterward, the stamp duty, which fall under the provincial jurisdictions, are calculated based on DC rates at the time of mutation. Initially, the federal government also adopted DC rates to calculate both capital gain and withholding taxes. However, in the Income Tax Ordinance 2001, the power to determine the property price was given to the commissioner. The Income Tax Rules 2002 also prescribed the mechanism for the commissioner to determine the fair market price. To tackle the valuation gap between the DC rate and the market rate, the FBR started the practice of issuing the valuation of immovable property for different cities in Pakistan in 2016. Paragraph. These valuation tables are meant to be at par with the market rate, and the FBR has revised these tables 2 times, so far. Now the capital gain tax and withholding tax on the sale of immovable property are calculated based on FBR immovable property tables in localities where the the tables are notified, while for all other localities the DC rate is still applicable, full stop. The 20th century experiments with price control and socialism found to their regret that market rates fluctuate substantially and administrators are incapable of setting such prices with any level of accuracy, full stop. Stop writing.
अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करें और कमेंट भी लाजमी कीजिएगा। शुक्रिया।